8:40 right now, protecting your loved ones this morning. Disturbing new statistics showing that nursing home patients are sometimes over-medicated. Our Legal Eagle attorney Jim Higgins joins us now to talk about how you can spot this problem in nursing homes. Usually we're talking about neglect, that they're not being cared for, but in this case it's something completely different. They are being over-medicated.
Yeah, it's the government, of course they run statistics on nursing homes, they do studies, they're all regulated across the nation. And this one was a little disturbing, and we've seen a lot of in the nursing home neglect and abuse cases we handle, and it's they say about 17% of all patients in nursing homes are over-medicated. And what's so significant about that, and the reasons they think, and why we've seen it happen, is it's a easy way to control someone. You can't tie someone down or restrain them to a bed, but we're such a medication nation now, and to give someone these drugs, and especially some of these elderly patients, if they give them enough medication, they're just going to lay there.
Right.
And they don't have to worry about taking care of them so much, or they're not trouble, right? And so it's a problem that's become almost epidemic, and we've seen it a lot, and it's something that you just really have to look out for in these homes. And of course there's great homes and there's not so great homes.
So how do you spot this, Jim? Because some people might have a loved one that's out of state. So how do you keep tabs on what's happening as far as their medications go?
Those are hard. And that's what happens a lot of times when we get cases. It's because they don't have someone close enough to really watch them. But of course it still happens when you're over there. Well, what you watch for, and what I always tell folks when they suspect it, and that's what we get calls sometimes that they're suspicious of it, is you're looking for behavior changes, mental status changes. A lot of times they'll be told, oh, they're just getting older. It's not always. Being more lethargic, spending too much time on the bed. If they were active before and now they're not, check that. And you got to communicate. What kind of medicines are they giving them? I want to see it. Is that okay with the doctor? Is that dosage correct? So you just got to be really involved.
Well, if you still have questions, of course, you can always contact our Legal Eagles, the Higgins Firm. Here it is, the Higgins Firm. Phone number is 353-0930. Jim at higginsfirm.com is where you can email Jim if you still have questions.